At that moment, Giorgio Armani arrived.
Look at the state of you. Have you had a trouser accident?
I was actually underwater at one point.
Oh, that's a disgusting place to sit.
Can you not drive like that?
No.
How did you do that?
Oh, it took me a lot of attempts because I wanted to do that.
Having wasted an eternity watching Brad Pitt do his repairs, we finally got back on the move.
I wonder why Formula One teams don't use tracks, Hammond, if you can change them in just 3 hours.
For James, the misery continued.
How much more of this is there? Oh, Jesus!
Things were so bad that at the next ferry crossing, it looked like he was going to try and make the far bank without a boat.
Wouldn't you?
Yeah, I would.
I mean, somebody said to me, yes, there are sharks in there. I'd still say, I don't care.
It's on.
As we left